workout. Wanted to chime in, and just briefly speak about movement as medicine. So movement can be anything for you. It could be mowing the lawn. It could be walking to the store. It could be dancing. For me, it's dancing. I enjoy dancing. Every time I hear a rhythm, I like to, give it a little I'm a drummer also, so drumming is my medicine. Moving my hands through movement. All of that could be medicine. And what I mean by medicine, I mean by it becoming such a task, like not even like a task, but an activity for you to do that brings you to this moment right now. Because nothing is worse than going through a breakup or being upset with someone or feeling out of tune with yourself and sitting in your own shit, just sitting there and thinking about it and really like letting it fester inside your soul. So finding a task or some sort of meditative movement to get your body in alignment with you, to get your mind off of the things that you're going through, because you're not alone, but you are the only one that will be there for you. So to treat your body and your mind with kindness, patience, and perseverance, you can get yourself out of the funk. So make it fun. Try something new every day. Do something different every day. Or if you found your medicine, then go sweat it away. Use that as your medicine and find that to be your happy place. Thanks for listening. Ciao. I